Welcome back to Car Trend. Today, we're taking a full look at one of the most iconic names in the automotive world, reimagined for the modern era. This is the 2025 Ford Mustang, and let me tell you right away, it's more than just a muscle car. It's a bold step forward that blends legacy with innovation, and we're going to unpack every detail. Right from the first glance, the 2025 Mustang announces itself with purpose. Ford didn't go for a radical redesign. Instead, they sharpened the edges, tightened the body, and gave the Mustang a more aggressive and aerodynamic profile. The new LED headlights are thinner and angrier, the front grille is lower and wider, and the hood now features more defined creases, giving the car a muscular, focused look that perfectly balances old-school muscle with modern performance aesthetics. Moving to the side, the fastback roofline is unmistakably Mustang. The flared fenders and sculpted side panels add to its visual tension. You've got multiple new alloy wheel designs to choose from, ranging from 18 to 20 inches, all designed not just for looks but for aerodynamic efficiency. Around back, the tri-bar taillights now come with animation, the quad exhaust setup signals real power, and the rear diffuser adds functional downforce. It's confident, bold, and unmistakably Mustang. But this car isn't just about looks, it's got the performance to back up every line and curve. The 2025 Mustang comes in multiple trims, and at the heart of it all is the legendary 5.0-liter Coyote V8 engine. It now produces up to 480 horsepower in the GT and a full 500 horsepower in the track-focused Dark Horse variant. There's also the 2.3-liter EcoBoost turbocharged engine for those who want a lighter, more efficient option that still packs plenty of punch. Transmission options include a 10-speed automatic for lightning-fast gear shifts and improved fuel efficiency, but the real enthusiast news is the continued availability of the 6-speed manual. Yes, Ford kept the manual alive, and in a world of automatics and EVs, that's something to celebrate. The clutch feels solid, the throws are tight, and the connection between driver and machine is pure. It's proof that Ford still knows what Mustang fans want. Performance-wise, the 2025 Mustang gets a big leap forward in handling and responsiveness. The new chassis is stiffer, the suspension has been tuned for more precision, and available MagneRide dampers let the car adapt instantly to the road. Steering is quicker, more accurate, and the feedback through the wheel is exactly what you'd want from a car designed to excite. Whether you're carving corners or flooring it on a straightaway, the Mustang feels more planted, more balanced, and more refined than ever. Step inside, and the real transformation begins. Ford has gone fully digital with the interior. In front of the driver is a 12.4-inch digital gauge cluster, and right next to it, angled toward the driver, is a 13.2-inch infotainment touchscreen powered by the latest Sync 4 system. These two displays merge behind a single piece of glass, giving the cockpit a sleek, high-tech vibe that still manages to feel performance-oriented rather than gimmicky. You can customize the gauge cluster to show classic analog styles, track-inspired layouts, or even a retro, Fox body mode that brings back vintage vibes from the 80s. It's a smart nod to the past that shows Ford understands its heritage, while embracing the future. The cabin materials have also taken a step up. You'll find soft touch surfaces, upgraded plastics, optional leather or suede sport seats, and a new flat-bottom steering wheel. Ambient lighting, wireless charging, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and over-the-air updates are all here too. It's a cockpit designed for both driving hard and daily commuting. And then there's the tech. Safety and driver assistance systems now come standard on most trims, including blind spot monitoring, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking. But crucially, Ford's made sure these don't dilute the driving experience. You can turn them off when you want to go full enthusiast mode. Also new for 2025 is Remote Rev. Yes, you can now start and rev your Mustang from your key fob, just in case you want to flex a little from across the parking lot. The 2025 Mustang is also available as a convertible, which gives buyers even more freedom to enjoy that V8 soundtrack. And speaking of sound, the active valve performance exhaust system means you can adjust how loud or subtle your car sounds depending on your mood, or your neighbors. What Ford has done with the 2025 Mustang is nothing short of impressive. In a time when the industry is pivoting toward electrification and automation, this car is a bold statement. It says there's still a place for emotion, for visceral driving experiences, for roaring engines and manual gearboxes. It's not just a muscle car, it's a modern performance coupe that respects its past while charging ahead into the future. If you're a fan of the Mustang legacy or just someone who loves the feeling of driving, the 2025 model is easily one of the most exciting cars of the year. It's powerful, tech-savvy, aggressive, and refined, and it's still unmistakably a Mustang. Thanks for watching Car Trend. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next deep dive into the world's most exciting cars. Until next time, stay fast, stay curious, and we'll see you on the road.